Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to monetize your Instagram account. First, you need to convert your Instagram account to a professional account. So for this, simply you need to open up your Instagram application. After that, go to your profile and tap on the three bars at the top right corner. Next, tap on the settings and privacy option in the menu. Once you are in the settings page, tap on the business tools and controls option. Next, tap on the switch account type option here. Now tap on the switch to professional account option in this window. Once you have done this, now your account will be converted into a professional account. Now you need to fill out your profile to connect with your audience. So, just enter your professional bio and then tap on done at the top right. Next, if you're inspired by any creator, you can easily follow them by tapping the follow button over here. Once you have followed, then tap on done, and after that go to your settings. Then tap on the business tools and controls option here. Next, tap on monetization status. Now on this page, you can see that you're able to monetize your account. Next, go to your web browser and search for Upfluence. After that, tap on this link in the search results. Here, tap on the Get Started button. Next, enter your email address. After that, choose your country and then your name here. Once you have done this, tap on Book Demo over here. So these are simply ways to monetize your Instagram account. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.